Park named after Taras Shevchenko is the central park of the Rivne. Taras Shevchenko is his very famous Ukrainian poet and writer. So this is the main entrance to this wonderful place, really wonderful place. But to regret, I visited this one during the very rainy and windy day. The rain was like shower rain. Yes, absolutely not suitable weather for walking along the park, but anyway, I think you can get some general imagination of this area. So, for example, I found this cascade of fountains, but as I did video in October, of course, it was out of the season walking of these fountains, I mean. Yeah. Really green area. You can say this is the lungs of the city. Also, in the middle of the park, I found amusement, the area of amusement rides or playgrounds. I want to take your attention that all these rides are original from Soviet Union, and they have age maybe over 50 years. Yeah, it's really old, because I remember when I was a kid, I used these rides. But I think this is a kind of art to support all these rides in working conditions. So I think all the mechanics who are responsible for these rides, they are really craftsmen. This is my point of view, of course. To regret, every year such rides are less and less in Ukraine, and instead of them they put some Chinese rides which goes wrong very rapidly, very quickly. So really wonderful place, a lot of paths, green area, benches where you can sit down. I think it's a very popular place, especially in summertime. But even now, when I did this video in October, I think autumn also has its charm. So Taras Shevchenko Park in Rivne city.